A brand called SwiftDo reached out to me because they are conducting a giveaway for the festive occasion. They are giving away licenses to their PDF Pro software for free. Just head over to this website and enter your email. They'll send all the instructions directly to your inbox. It's a 6-month license, so you can use their Pro software for free for 6 months. You can then choose to continue the subscription if you're interested. You'll first have to create an account and log in. And once you have created an account, you will see that the expiration date says expired. Simply click on the redeem my code and paste the code that they have given you in your email. You can then download the software and proceed to install it as usual. Just log in with the same ID once you have that software installed and you should be good to go. Okay, let's see what kind of tools we have here. We can edit PDFs, we can convert them to Word, to image. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Let me create a dummy PDF and see what we can do. Oh, you can even convert PDF to Excel to PPT. That's interesting. Let's try and convert to Excel, see what we get. Seems like it's uploading a file to their server maybe and converting it into an Excel. I wish this conversion was done locally, in your PC itself natively instead of uploading it and then downloading it. But, whatever. I guess that's how it works. And there it is. Okay, I think it has separated the paragraphs somehow. It's not perfect, but for the most part, it's better than copy pasting manually. You can even compress PDF files. Okay, the original PDF is around 48 KB, I guess. So let's try and compress it. Medium compression gives you not much really, 44 KB, but I guess this will be beneficial on huge files. I mean, I routinely receive reviewers guides which are like 1 GB in size. So if I want to reduce their size and store them somewhere, I can use this. There's even a PDF edit function. You can kind of edit the text directly. Let's see how it saves it. It's not as seamless as a Word document. The formatting kind of goes up and down a bit. But if I close it and open it back up, it's fine now. It may not be perfect, but hey, at least you're getting it for free, right? They also have a New Year sale going on where there are pretty good discounts on all of their products, so you can check that out too if you're interested. This will be valid till 15th of January, so it's on a first come first serve basis. It's like they opened a box of yummies and anyone who comes first can help themselves. Once they run out of free units, I guess that's that. And by the way, people on our Discord knew about this like several hours in advance because I told them. It takes a long time to record, edit and upload this video, but messaging that in our Discord hardly takes 2 minutes. So if you'd like to receive information like this in advance, consider joining our Discord. We'll also be holding more exclusive giveaways there, which are not really gonna be part of YouTube. So if you want to be in on it, that's the place to be.